Hello mga ka-chill ride! Do you have a problem like this? Your channel is not currently able to earn. What happened? After reviewing your channel using a combination of automated system and human reviewers, we found out that it does not follow YouTube channel monetization policies. Reviewer feedback. Violations of the YouTube monetization policies. Here's what you can do. Option 1. Appeal if you think we made a mistake. If you think we made a mistake and send an appeal telling us why, we'll review your appeal and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Only choose the option 1 if you haven't deleted any videos since your channel was suspended from monetization. Start an appeal. Appeal suspension. Next step, create a video for your appeal. We know these videos take a lot of effort to produce. To help make sure our team can review your video, follow this qualification or guidelines. Film your video in a supportive language. Keep your video under 5 minutes. Show or mention your channel URL within the first 30 seconds. Mention the reviewer's feedback and tell us why it's a mistake. Provide visual example of how you create videos, including how you film and edit them. Reviewers' feedback, how to address the feedback. Give an example of how you added commentary or narrative to your videos. Show videos on your channel that are noticeably different from each other. This is the email YouTube sent to us when we apply for YouTube monetization policies. Hi Chill Red Couple, Red Amigo. Thank you for applying to join the YouTube Partner Program. We carefully reviewed your channel Chill Red Couple, Red Amigo. Unfortunately, we found that your channel is not aligned with the YouTube monetization policies. Now we will appeal in YouTube. Do you have a problem in having channel monetization policies or suspension or reuse content? How to make an appeal video. These are the things to remember. Number 1, film your video, make a script explaining how you came up with this idea in your videos. Show your production process, and then after 3 days, YouTube will approve your appeal for monetization.
Para sa inyo, for all of you, yung panampay ng 2025 will happen this day and tomorrow. 2 days activities. So watch out. Tingin nyo yun, maganda yun. Lahat yun, maganda sa paningin ng mga, napakaganda sa paningin natin. Good for the eyes. For entertainment purpose only. Subscribe for free sa aming YouTube channel. Si Red Couple, Red Amigo. Good morning to all of you.
Now let's go and make a video appeal content. Hello YouTube team. Today, August 3, 2025, 2:45 in the afternoon. Your team who look over to our channel Chill Ride Couple Red Amigo and found out that our channel is not in line with the YouTube channel monetization policies and cannot approve our channel at this time. Reviewer feedback says that there is a violation of the YouTube monetization policies. Our channel is Chill Ride Couple Red Amigo. Our YouTube channel URL is https://www.youtube.com/channel/UCO4SXXSYLD5YIXP2AJ0TNRW. We would like to appeal our application and monetization and showing the process how we create our content and addressing our videos that did not contain violating monetization policy. Our channel contains such as blogging, cooking, and traveling. We will show you how we film our videos. Here are the gadgets that we are using for our filming and taking videos. This is our helmet with a cell phone holder. This is our
Gadget for the helmet.
this is our motorcycle with cell phone holder. This is our car we use for traveling also. Here are GPS. Yan. Our cell phone holders. Cell phone for motorcycle, cell phone holder for cars, cell phone holder for helmet, chest phone holder. More cell phones for filming. Okay. We create our content by ourselves from scratch. With a chest phone holder, and he's holding a camera also. Here is the place we edit our videos. Internet broadband, computer set where you can see our computer, monitor, mouse, speaker, camera, printer, keyboard. This is the place I work for editing. We create our content by ourselves from scratch, and we use CapCut to edit our videos and insert animation and music. We gather our videos in different places as we go on travel, do cooking and vlogging. We record our voice in CapCut and do our creative process in our content, for we do research in Google and we record our voice and we put it together using application in CapCut. All of our content is original and made by ourselves, and the voice over is real voice. We don't use anybody else content. We film Panagbenga Festival. First day is the street dance competition, and the second one is the floral parade competition. We plead with you to please reinstate our application in YouTube Partner Program. We are very grateful and thank you so much for taking this time to watch this video. Thank you very much and have a great day.
We're going to the proper Baguio.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chill Ride Couple, Red Amigo. After we send an appeal, this is the message that they send to us. Your appeal is under review. You'll get a response within 14 days. A human reviewer will watch all special videos that adhere to our instruction. They'll reassess your channel against our YouTube partner programs and AdSense content guidelines. Once there's a decision, you'll get a response via email and in the Studio app. After 3 days, YouTube send us an email. Hi Chill Red Couple, Red Amigo. We're happy to share that your YouTube partner program appeal was successful and your channel can now monetize again. Our team carefully review both your content and your video appeal. Your appeal help us to better understand how you create your videos, your content strategy, and your channel's brand. Thanks for submitting an appeal and for your patience while we review it. We realize this was extra work for you and we appreciate your help in improving our review process. Thank you, the YouTube team. Need help? Write it down in the comment section and then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and join to our YouTube channel to make an update on more of our video content. Have a wonderful day and more blessing to all of you. God bless you.